Video number 2. Joe's Feeder, Cultural Heritage Site, dam removal, habitat restoration, etc, etc. Last video we were on the other side, if you can recall. Took the dam out, the beaver dam, cut all the clearing out there for later on next trip. And so we're into the spooky, the Cultural Heritage Site that could date back hundreds of years. All kinds of old stuff. That's a bit more modern when they build the dam, because the dam is right there, was that rock wall, and like I said, you used to be able to drive right across there. They says grandfather one time, a truck or car or something, whatever they had. There was a horse barn on either side. So now we're getting into the goodies. Look, no doubt used for a stove. And here is the main site. The archaeological dig is probably going to happen. Or first we're going to assess the site. Anyway, it's very hard to see here now, but that is part of the cabin there. That is going across. There's the old stove. Somewhere here you can see a corner, actual corner piece. We were actually inside the cabin here now. Don't want to disturb it very much. So here's what they done, look. It's all notched and cut. That's the logs left to the cabin. Have an idea of how long that cabin's, how long this site's been here. All them burr has dropped down on top of the site and probably been there rotting for 50 years. And they had to grow up through the site, through the middle of the cabin, and go through the life cycle, fall down and rot. So how long do you think the cabin was there? Before the burr came. They might use this for a link house they fought over years ago or something before it fell down. There's a corner piece here somewhere we see. See all the, I don't want me to watch, I don't want me to watch now. Need that door here. Oh, the corner piece is over here. See, it was a old stove there, look. Okay. Drafter's chopped, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, Jesus, put in there. Or ribbon on them or something. And here's the corner of the structure. Look what they done with the logs. No nails. Notched and cornered. This is the corner of the cabin right here. Probably where the stove was. That's a 90-degree angle. One nail there. But like you say, probably used multi-generational. Like you say, could have been used for a lot of these old structures. See, all it was notched. So a lot of these old structures, when they were half abandoned, they would bait them up and use them for link houses, catch the lynx. So a lot of history here on this site, very special site. Got to find out more. Hopefully come in the spring. Old barrel there too. And this is one of my favorites right here. Who was the last man or woman to drink out of this one? Now we're a little bit more modern. got nothing there. Look. Unreal. God bless. Anyway, thanks for watching. Over and out.